Hey everybody, today we have a 2014 Honda Civic that said running rough. So we pulled it around and at the moment it's not running rough. Check engine light was on, so we pulled the code. It had a P0301, which is misfire on cylinder number 1 right here. So we went ahead and we're pulling all the coils out to check everything while we're here. So we went ahead and pulled the first coil, and here, hold the coil for me. So the first thing I noticed when you pulled the first coil, I don't know if you can see in there or not, but the rubber boot is all chewed up on the outside, and then on the inside right there, this isn't the best camera for this, but this is the only thing I got, is all chewed up and gone. So then if you look inside there, that plug is all black. So we're getting ready to pull the plug. So let's pull one of these coils out. And as you can see, that plug in there is nice and shiny. Hold this coil. And if you see that boot, see how nice that boot is? It's got rubber on the inside and a nice round rubber on the outside. So that's cylinder number 2. We're going to set that right there, but we're going to put them right back in order. Cylinder number 3, same thing. The rubber boot looks good. Cylinder number 4, the rubber boot looks good. So now we're to the point where we're going to pull that spark plug out. Oh, and also too, inside here, there's a spring. There's no spring in that coil. So basically, hold that. So it's been arcing. Instead of the spring delivering the spark to the top of the spark plug, it's been actually jumping inside there. That's why that plug is so dark. So we are going to get a little light over here. And let's see, yep, if we get this plug out, and I'll take and show you how bad the plug is on this number 1 cylinder. I don't know where the spring went. I don't know if the spring fell out, but somebody did a tune-up on it. So it's got iridium plugs in it, but see how it's all black right here from where the spark has been jumping back and forth. The plug itself does not look bad. It looks like somebody replaced it. So I think what's really going on with this car is just the coil's bad. So that's number 1 cylinder. We'll set number 1 cylinder there. Let's pull out number 2 and take a peek at it. There's number 2. This plug also looks very good. Burning good. The gap's not big. There's no flashback here. These plugs have been recently replaced. So what I'm thinking is when they replaced the plugs, the spring fell out on that coil because the boot's damaged. So on this car here, we're going to go ahead and probably leave the plugs in it. We are going to clean the carbon buildup of the flashing off this and replace the 1 coil. So there you go. On this one here, we got to look at it. Had a P0301 misfire on cylinder number 1. There's obviously the boot is all burned up, and the spring's missing, and the spark's been jumping. So eventually, it melted the boot, and the spark probably started jumping to the side of the cylinder head when it's been so humid here. It's been unbelievable. All right, everybody, here's just a really quick one on a misfire on a Honda Civic. Want to thank everybody for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in this corner right here. Give me a thumbs up if you like my videos, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you.